Hello, in this video I will talk on the if-else statements. So here let's write a printf. Okay, so printf, and then let's display just one character on the screen. So C, and let's go to the next line, and then here let me just say A. Okay, so when I run this, okay, it displays A on the screen, but I want to make this conditional. So I say if, okay, and the condition is, for example, 5 less than 10, okay, and this is true. Okay, so 5 less than 10, okay, this is true, and it displays A on the screen. So if I say 5 is greater than 10, okay, and okay, so it doesn't work, it doesn't display anything. Okay, so here I say if this is uh, the case, display A, otherwise do something else. So else, okay, and then let me just copy and paste. Okay, so here I say if that is the case, display B. Okay, so here let me run it. Okay, this displays A, but if I say 5 is greater than 10, so this is false, and then this will not be executed. It executes this one. Okay, it displays B. And also, um, okay, let me do this printf, or let me just copy and paste. Okay, C. Okay, so let me run this. Okay, BC. Okay, so 5 is not greater than 10, and it displays BC. What if I make this 5 less than 10? So is it going to display A? Let's see. No, it displayed AC. So it also displayed this one. The reason is that um, so this so there is no block, so there is no curly braces, and also there is no curly braces after the else statement. When there is no curly braces, only one line belongs to else. Okay, so this one, even if it is indented, but the indentation doesn't matter, still only this one belongs to this one. So this statement is outside of the if else, so it is completely independent. So basically it is like this. Okay, so this will be executed anyway, but if you want to make this one a part of the else statement, you need to use curly brace. Okay, curly brace, and then just move it to here inside. Now if I run it, as you see, it displays A. It did not display C. And also, you can have this. You can have another if statement. Okay. Uh, okay. So okay. So basically, you need to have this. So if you have this, this will not work because you cannot have else statement without if statement. So when there is an else, it must belong to one of the if statement. Okay, so here let's use a block. Also, you cannot have this. You cannot have this one, and also if another if statement. You need to have a block. Okay, so after you have the block, it is okay that um, you have another if statement, and the condition could be so 2 less than 3. Okay, and then let me just say copy and paste. Okay, so let's say um, you display D. Okay, So let me run it. Okay, AD. So this this is displayed, and then it displayed D. If this was false, like this, okay, then it would display this one, A, and because this is false, it doesn't do anything, okay, so it skips this one, um, and then run it. Okay, it displays A only. In the else part, so let's make C also conditional. So I can say if the condition, for example, 7 greater than 8, okay. Okay, let's assume that you don't want to do anything if this is the case, but if this fails, then you say this else. Um, okay, so here let me just say F. Okay, so here we say if this is false, okay, if this is false, and let's make it false actually, 15 less than 10, so this is false. So we come to here else. So all of this is skipped. So all of this block is skipped, and we come to else. And then this is displayed, and after that we have a condition. If this is true, we don't do anything. If this fails, then we have this. So you cannot have else statement without if statement. So now let's see what this does. Okay, so it displays B, okay, and then so between displaying B and C, we have if else statement, okay. So B and C is displayed, but in between it displays F, okay, because this fails. So it is not good idea to leave a code empty. You could do this. You could say you can negate this, and then if this is not true, then do this. So I can just get rid of else, okay. So get rid of else and have a opening curly brace, and you can put this inside of the parentheses, and you can negate it, okay. So now let's see what it does. Okay, so we have some missing curly braces somewhere. Okay, actually they are just warning. Okay, so that says this code will never be executed. So that is right. So this code will never be executed because this is always false. Clearly this will not be executed, but we get the same result. I hope this is clear. Have a nice day.